Let's explore how instances in private subnets of AWS access the internet while ensuring security from unwanted online connections. First, we need to understand that AWS, as a leading cloud service provider, emphasizes the critical role of networking within its ecosystem. One such intriguing networking concept is NAT, or Network Address Translation. NAT plays a pivotal role in AWS by enabling private subnet instances to access the internet or other AWS services. It does this whilst ensuring the internet cannot initiate an unsolicited connection with these instances. Now let's dive deeper into the world of AWS NAT. So, what exactly is NAT, and why is it so crucial for network security and resource access in a cloud environment? NAT, or Network Address Translation, is a method of remapping one IP address space into another. This is particularly vital in a cloud environment like AWS, where resources need to communicate with each other and the internet. NAT not only enables instances within private subnets to access the internet or other AWS services, it also prevents the internet from initiating a connection with those instances, adding an extra layer of security. Now, within the AWS ecosystem, we have two types of NAT options: NAT instances and NAT gateways. A NAT instance is a fully customizable solution that operates on an EC2 instance, perfect for those who require a high level of control. On the other hand, NAT gateways are a fully managed service by AWS, offering high availability and automatic scalability. In essence, NAT is the bridge that connects your private resources with the public internet, while ensuring that unwanted traffic doesn't make its way in. With this understanding of NAT, we can now explore the two types of NAT options in AWS, the NAT instance and the NAT gateway. First up is the NAT instance, a versatile and customizable option for NAT in AWS. NAT, or Network Address Translation, plays a vital role in managing resources within the Amazon Web Services ecosystem. A NAT instance is essentially an Amazon EC2 instance that's configured to forward traffic from the private subnet to the internet or other AWS services. This allows instances in the private subnet to access the internet while preventing the internet from initiating a connection with them. NAT instances are highly customizable and can even be used as bastion servers, providing an additional layer of security. They offer more control compared to NAT gateways, but this also means they require manual management. Setting up a NAT instance starts with launching an instance from a NAT AMI, then configuring the main route table to send internet-bound traffic to the NAT instance. Remember, a properly configured route table is key to the successful operation of a NAT instance. While NAT instances offer flexibility, they require manual management. Now let's look at a more hands-off option, the NAT gateway. Now let's delve into the NAT gateway, a fully managed and highly available service. The NAT gateway in AWS is a boon to those who prefer a hands-off approach to their cloud networking. It's designed to be robust, taking care of automatic scaling, redundancy, and patching without any manual intervention. This means you can focus on other aspects of your operations, knowing that your NAT gateway is efficiently handling your networking needs. One of the key benefits of the NAT gateway is its high availability. Unlike NAT instances where you need to manually manage the availability, NAT gateway automatically distributes traffic across multiple availability zones. This ensures your network remains uninterrupted, even in the event of a failure. But what about setting up an NAT gateway? Well, it's straightforward. Just like with NAT instances, you need to ensure your route tables are correctly configured. This will enable your private subnet instances to communicate with the internet or other AWS services via the NAT gateway. Another major advantage of using an NAT gateway is its automatic scaling. As your network traffic increases, the NAT gateway scales up to meet the demand, providing a seamless networking experience. And the best part? This scaling happens automatically, unlike NAT instances that require manual scaling. However, it's important to note that while NAT gateways offer numerous benefits, they come with a cost. They are typically more expensive than running a NAT instance. But for many, the benefits of automatic scaling, high availability, and no need for manual patching far outweigh the costs. As you can see, each NAT option has its own strengths and use cases. But how do you choose the right one for your AWS environment? Choosing the right NAT solution depends on your specific AWS needs. In comparing NAT instances and NAT gateways, a few factors come to the forefront: performance, cost efficiency, maintenance, and ease of use. NAT instances give you more control, allowing for port forwarding and use as bastion servers. However, they require manual management, which can be a drawback for some. On the other hand, NAT gateways are fully managed, meaning they automatically scale, offer high availability, and require no manual patching. This makes them a hands-off, scalable solution. When it comes to performance, NAT gateways generally outperform NAT instances due to their automatic scalability. In terms of cost efficiency, while NAT gateways might have a higher upfront cost, they can prove to be more economical in the long run, especially for larger networks, due to their maintenance-free nature. The choice between the two often boils down to the needs of your specific AWS architecture. If you require more control and don't mind the maintenance, NAT instances could be your go-to. However, if you prefer a more hands-off approach with automatic scalability, NAT gateways would be a more fitting choice. Remember, the key is to understand your specific needs and choose the NAT solution that best meets them. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video.